Platform divided into three interfaces. This is the agency CRM. From here, we actually manage all the communication with the influencers and also with the clients. And so in the platform, we have the agency CRM, the client dashboard, and the influencer app. This is the three different interfaces that the CRM manage and control everything. So after influencers register into your app, that we can of course creating the app for you on Google Play and App Store, and everything can be of course white label into your branding. After the influencers download your app and register into your network, you can approve and or disapprove your influencers that want to join your network. Once you approve them, you are able to start brief the influencers. So through the platform, you are able to create new campaigns. You can see, of course, all the different campaigns you ever created. So let me just go into one of the campaigns to show you how it works. So first, you put the first and basic information about the client. Then in the brief settings, you put the budget, few pictures. Then in the brief description, you write to the influencer the actual brief, what they need to do in the campaign, the objective about the brand, the activity description. Then you explain the influencer what they need to do in each and every piece of content they need to create. With the hashtags, tags, approval date, go live date, all of this information that you're creating, the influencers will receive automatic notification. For example, a day before the approval day, they will receive a notification if they already created the content. In the go live, they will receive a push notification that they need to post the content in their social media. So all of these different information regarding the brief, the influencers receiving it in their interface, which I already said it's in their app. So the influencers can read the brief that you created, and then they will decide if they want to participate in the campaign or not. But before you send this brief to all of your network, here in the invite section, you are able to choose to send this brief only to the relevant influencers. So, for example, here we choose to send this brief only to female influencer in all the ages in the segmentation of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And then by one click, I can send this brief to all the influencers who match this criteria. For example, if I will change, you can see that this is different influencer, this is only male. Okay, so by one click, I can send this brief. All the influencers will receive a push notification with the brief that I already created. And this is the right time to give to the client his own access to his own dashboard. This is the dashboard. This is how the client will see his campaign. He will see only his relevance campaigns. And when you get access to it, you can see now all the different influencers who receive the brief, and not only receive the brief, click on the approve, meaning that they approve to participate in the campaign. And from here, the client can choose the influencers you want them to participate in the campaign. After you choose the influencers, in the pending section, all the influencers who approved to participate starting sending content for approval. And this is the right time to keep your brand safety and to approve the content before everything live on social media. So if you don't like the content, you can write the influencers why, and then they will create another content for approval. Once they approve the content, they will, if you approve the content, they will posted it, and it will appear here in the live section once, of course, they're published. So here you can see all the pieces of content who went live in one place with the results of each and every piece of content or a story. Uh, Here in the statistic bottom, this is what's the clients like the most. Is a dashboard with all the results in terms of impressions, engagement, the breakdown of the engagement. We give some information about the campaign value, cost per engagement, cost per mile. And also we give information about the people who engage with the influencer content. Uh, Top cities, age distribution, location distribution, etc. So all of this information update in real time and give to the client the information he need to know. So the client can see only the information he need to see. You don't see, for example, how much you as an agency paying the influencers. You don't see all the communication you have with the influencers. All of this communication in terms of budget uh, and and communication with the influencers appearing here in the CRM.